to blur part of a video in InShot. In this video, I will guide you through blurring sensitive information like an address or license plate in a video using the InShot app. Additionally, I will show you how to ensure that the blur effects stay aligned with the moving part of your video so it doesn't shift out of place. So follow me, let me show you how to do that. Let's go. Open your InShot app and go to video. Select new and load the video where you want to blur an area. Head over to your sticker, just look for your sticker and click on it. Click on details and you will see several options for blurring. Choose the blur option and adjust its size to cover what you need. I recommend making it slightly wider for better coverage, and you can also adjust the intensity if needed. You can change the shape of the blur, but I prefer sticking with the square. Make it a bit wider and extend it to cover the entire video duration. Since the video might have movement, the blur effect could drift from the intended area. So here is how to fix that. Go to tracking and select the second option. Then position the tracker on the license plate or area you want to blur. This process only takes a few moments, but once it's finished, place the blur effect over the area and you will see it stays in place regardless of movement in the video. This ensures the area remains covered throughout. So if you found this video helpful, please like and follow for more.